To run network adapter troubleshooter in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, and then click or tap Settings. Select Update and Security, and then click or tap Troubleshoot. Select Additional Troubleshooters, and then scroll down screen, tap Network Adapter, find and fix problems with wireless and other network adapters. Select Run the troubleshooter, and then allow the troubleshooter to run, and then answer any question on the screen. If you see a message that no change or updates were necessary, you can try recovery options or find out more about Outlook error codes and upgrade and installation error code. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.